Hi there. This Singer 306K in front of you is called Gloria, and I just got it today, and it's in pretty good condition. And I like these black 306Ks. This is the second one I have. Altogether, I have 4 of these 306Ks now, so I'm at my quota. But it's in pretty good condition. It was built in 1949, owned by the same family, the same lady and her husband. And the lady, somewhat recently, 92 years old, went into a home, and her son had tried to sell this sewing machine and was unable to sell it. So he ended up donating it to a local church near where he lived, and so it was listed for sale with the lady from the church. I didn't know it was a church; it just had the lady's name, and it was, for sale for $150. I offered $75, and it was accepted, but the money actually went to the church. It wasn't the lady's. This was donated to the church, so anyway. So there's a couple of things we're going to do here. We're going to take a quick look at the hook at the hook gearbox, because I want to see if there's any gunk in there, and if there is gunk in there, I want to see how much there is. The other thing we're going to take a look at is the accessories that I got with this sewing machine. It did come in a cabinet. The cabinet is in my living room right now, and but it's in good condition. It's been looked after. It has a new belt, and I think it's got a new bobbin wheel as well. But anyway, I want to get in here and take a look underneath and see what we're dealing with the hook shaft gear housing. Because those of you who watched the other video about these machines recently remember the gunk. So let's get this in position here. And what else do I need to do? I think I will do that. I think I'll leave that right there for a minute. How you doing? Can you guys see? So I'm completely self-funded. I derive no revenue from any of this. So I don't ask for donations or money, but I do respectfully, humbly ask for likes and subscribes. Thank you. Well, here we are. Here goes the top screw, and it's coming off. It seems a little gunk on my finger there from the screw. So let's see what we got here. Well, there's a bunch there, but it's mostly on the lid. Let me get some more light down here for you, for us. So that's not bad. All I'm going to do is take a makeup pad or two. You know what? I'm not even going to do that. Where's my little wooden stick? I don't know if I can find it. Oh, I just pulled my... Yeah, here it is here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape it off. Set that aside over there. And we'll just take a makeup pad, wipe that off there, fold that up, and dispose of that. Pardon me, I keep on hitting my lamp, the one I keep on knocking over all the time. Let's see what else we can get. So that's not bad. I mean, you know, 71 years old, this machine, or 72 actually, because it's 2021 now, and it was built in 49, or allotted in 49, but I think the records for the actual dates that they were. So that's good. All I wanted to see was that. I'm going to give it a slight coating of oil. Am I going to do oil or am I going to do grease? I think I'll do oil first to loosen up that old grease in there. And yes, the oil will dilute the grease, but it's all going to kind of get washed out of there anyway. So, and now I'm going to cut to the chase. I'm going to get another one of the makeup pads. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see, let me get this in a little closer for you. I don't know that you can really, that you really have a great view there. And let me move this light over a little more. There, I think that's a little better. I think that is too. So it's all pretty wet in there. Nothing's really hardened or gunky, I don't think. So just let me wipe the screwdriver off. And then I'm just going to take one of these makeup pads and see what we can do with it. So we got a fair bit of mess off there. And yeah, it's looking much better already. Let me move that light out of the way so I can get down here and turn that. But yeah, very smooth sounding machine. This is all very shiny. And it has the modified bobbin case. And there's also an extra modified bobbin case in the accessories that I'm going to show you in a minute after I put this. I'm just going to give this an oiling and clean it off. And then replace it. And that will be that done for this new machine. I'm going to be oiling it and greasing it, taking the top cover off. And I want to quickly show you, I'll put that cover on a little bit later. Oops, sorry, a little bit later. What I would like to show you, while I still have you folks here, is that's part of the switch I have. Let me put back this up so we can see what's going on here. Okay. Okay, so here is a fabric eraser. Cool. There's an extra spool pin, steel, chrome, stainless, or whatever. Nice. What's in here? This there's fashion discs. There's like over 30 of them in there because I counted them earlier. So I paid 75 Canadian for this machine, like I mentioned. They're asking 150. The Gloria, the lady from the church, she said that other ladies of the church had told her she wouldn't be able to sell it because she wouldn't get $20 for it. So, but anyway, and here we have the usual extra plates. I'm not all that familiar with plates as far as what they're called. There's another ring. And then in here we have, let me put this down so I can show you better. There's 1 foot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 'I'm not sure what that is. December 31st. A hook or something. And then some hand needles, another spool pin, and then the extra modified bobbin case. Why is it modified? Because it has that cutout there, so it'll take 15 by 1 needles. There's also some hand stitching needles in there as well. So that's really great to get over 30 fashion discs. I won't use a lot of those stitches because I'm not much of a stitcher yet. But so that was those. And then we had the buttonholer. Oops, too lazy. Those spilled. I'll have to fix those later, those templates. But yeah, there's the buttonholer. So that's a great accessory too. I think we got about 3 or 4 of those now. And that's for the plug. The other thing I have here is a really great manual, instruction manual in English. The other 2 that I have are in French, and I'm not fluent or even bilingual. I'm anglophone. So it's beat up. There's the covers and the front and back cover and a couple of pages of the index, or at least 1 anyway. But really good diagrams. You know, it shows you how to use the needle position control, the levers on the front, the stitch length regulator. It talks about the discs and some of the stitches. What did I want? I want to show you, and it had this, you know, for the needle thread tension assembly. Needle thread tension assembly there. I guessed, no, I didn't guess right. I knew that's what it's called. So really good diagrams like that. So for 75 bucks, I'm really pleased. It is in good shape. It came with a cabinet. I am going to get it working, and I'm going to use it for sewing. It does need to be cleaned. You know, she was 92 years old for her. But anyway, that's all for now. And like I said earlier, please like and subscribe, and have fun. Take care, stay safe, and come back soon. Come back next time. Thank you.